Silence. It is gonna come down again today, people. Look at that. I was showing how it's going to come down. God dang me. That's out it's morning. Was for me. It's my mommy. I love her. She is beautiful. Beautiful. Now that is black there, kids. There's my little garden. Silence. I mean, holy shit. Oh, it's sprinkling now. Alright. I will fly. This is my whole messy garage. You guys haven't seen this half. Karaoke machine I've never used in my entire life. Trailer trash pipe, man. Never used that either. Cali, baby. It's all my writing. Not all of it. I've got boxes. All my leather jackets I used to use when I rode my Harley. Look at that. It's coming. I'll get it later. There's a birdie. Peace.